Chasse 1, you hold 2, stop there. I tell you what you check. Did you standing on the boss leg evenly? I don't want you put your weight on the front leg or stay on the back leg evenly. Do you knee open? That's the first thing you check. So right now, you will do up to now. Look at my arm. The arm needs close to the bar. Give you a turning energy. Go. Turn. Okay, right now you need to check. Did you standing on your back leg 100%? If you feel any pressure on your tongue toes, that means you are not on your leg. Okay, good. Right now, tongue ear, put the ear forward. Same thing. Okay, stop here. Watch me here. Everybody watch me. Watch me. Okay, so look, you finish the tongue, okay? So look at my heel, the red socks. You cannot do the plie like that. You see my heel naturally go down? No. Look at me. I bring my toes back. I'm not pushing my toes heel forwards. I bring my toes backwards. Do you see? My front leg become turn up. You clear? The toes bring back. And then you go. Ballet turn out super important. You cannot just stay here just naturally so easy. When you feel easy, feel comfortable, that must be wrong. I want you to feel uncomfortable, hard. Go with my correction. Ready, everybody? Tongue to front. Tongue to front. And then plie. Stay there. Did you both heel on the floor? Did you evenly on your both leg? Right now, you gotta close your arm, help you turn. Go, turn. Change your leg, tongue to front. 100% in.